Hi there, I'm Kevin Benedict, SAP Mentor and Mobility Analyst, and I'm reporting from Manly, Australia today, where I have the opportunity to be with Andrew Fox from SAP, and you're in charge of mobility and cloud solutions?
That's right, Kevin.
All right, so I just listened to a presentation, very exciting presentation.
Thank you.
You have a lot of enthusiasm for SAP Mobility. What excites you the most?
Well, when I was offered the chance just about 3 months ago to take on mobility and cloud solutions, I jumped at it. I jumped at it because it's the two of the areas that our customers are talking to us about the most, and they're getting excited about.
Yeah.
I mean, they can see the next wave of computing coming. They can see all of their users using the new technology, bringing their own phones, wanting the applications, and they're really, really keen to try and find the best use of the new technology.
Very good. So, what industries do you see, especially here in Australia and New Zealand, that seem to be really embracing enterprise mobility?
Well, that's the interesting thing, because it's not just any one particular industry. I mean, everyone has the same challenge. They're all faced by new age workers who all have smartphones, who walk in, they want to go, why can't I have the apps that I use at home? Why can't I use the devices I use at home? So it's anyone who actually wants to optimize the efficiency of their workforce. So a lot of it is the employee type applications, the manager self-service applications, all of that's moving from portal to a cloud-based environment on mobile. And then it's the knowledge workers. And the things that we can now do, front-ending a CRM system with the joint technology using the tablet PCs or the tablets and then the back-end systems are just stunning. You can start to bring in the graphics and the multimedia in a way that a PC or a boring old standard mobile phone just couldn't do, and that really excites the customers.
So what is the SAP sales team actually selling today here in Australia, New Zealand?
Largely it's platform.
Okay.
They're selling the unwired platform.
Okay.
Now you start off by securing a business by selling a Faria, getting the mobile device management engine in place, giving the executives of a business the security to be able to use their device in public. And then you move on from there rapidly to what apps can I have? And as soon as an organization starts to say, what apps can I have? You then have to put in an unwired platform to say, here is the environment in which we can develop and deliver you the applications. And that is how far do you want to go.
So how do you, at that point, are they building custom apps? Or are you bringing in partners? How does that work?
But some partners, some custom apps. I mean, a lot of the concept apps that we start with are custom apps.
Right.
But actually, it's a lot of our customers want to start with the building blocks that we've delivered. So the ones that we announced at Sapphire, there are about 40 individual apps that we pushed out at Sapphire. The first of those have shipped. So those are the relatively complicated ones of retail execution and field service. Waiting towards the end of September, we've got all the manager self-service, the employee self-service apps, those employee productivity apps. That's when I think people will really start to put them into production.
Well, great. Well, I want to thank you very much, Andrew, for sharing with the audience.
My pleasure.